Pfizer's Lyme vaccine is a complete scam. Trial failed, but they're still pushing it. Hello, I am Dr. K, Paul Stoller. Pfizer just finished their big Phase 3 trial for a new 4-dose Lyme disease vaccine, and it's complete garbage. The trial failed its primary endpoint, but that hasn't stopped them from rushing it toward FDA approval anyway, because there's billions of dollars on the line. Here's what actually happened. Pfizer is claiming 73% efficacy. Sounds impressive, right? Until you look at the 95% confidence interval, the real statistical range. It crashes all the way down to 15.8%. The trial required at least 20% efficacy at the lower end of the confidence interval to be considered successful. They didn't even come close. This vaccine failed its own success criteria. This is the same playbook we've seen before. Failed trial? No problem. Just spin the numbers, hype the point estimate, 73%, and hope nobody looks at the fine print. Meanwhile, they want to roll this thing out and charge people for a 4-dose series, priming the pump for yearly boosters. This isn't about public health. This is about creating a recurring revenue stream off the back of a disease that's exploding across the country.
Let's be real. Lyme disease is a serious and growing problem. But instead of demanding better treatments for people already suffering with chronic Lyme, Pfizer wants to sell a questionable vaccine that doesn't even clear the lowest possible bar. And the worst part? They're likely going to get away with it. The system is rigged to push more vaccines, even when the data is this weak.
This is exactly why trust in pharmaceutical companies and public health institutions is collapsing. They don't care if the product actually works at a high level. They care if they can market it and make money. We need real solutions for Lyme disease, not more rushed marginal vaccines designed to fail forward.
I've created a webinar on the right way to treat Lyme disease at KENNETHSTOLLERMD.com. If you're angry about this, and you should be, comment failed below. Share this with every hunter, hiker, parent, and outdoors person you know. This affects all of us. Subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm going to keep exposing this kind of garbage. The era of blind trust is over. Hope to see you at my webinar.